Hi everybody, it's 11:07 and 12 seconds on Tuesday, January 8th. This is the mini number 1 for the Spotlight 5, graded 7.5, first Ghost Rider. Over here are the 24 filled spots. Now in this mini, whoever comes in first place will get the first 8 open spots in the main, filled in order of availability. Whoever comes in second will get the next 3 open spots filled in order. Whoever comes in third will get the next single open spot. Alright, keep your eyes open for more minis because it looks as though I'm going to need a bunch to fill this thing. Number is 12. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12. Joe Forte comes in first. Ken Saxon comes in second. John Tung comes in third. Time is 11:08 and 15